Hi, I'm Frankie Fredericks from Uncle Buddha Productions. We're really excited to share with you the story of Sexy Rexy. As you've seen in the film, both his passion for life and his just natural hosting ability really make him a vibrant character that we really wanted to show you through this film.
Internationale.
We really don't want this to be the end of the project. We see this as a beginning. So we've kind of left it open and fluid for other people to get involved. A couple things we've done is we actually uploaded all the footage from the documentary to our FTP, and we invite any filmmakers who want to take that footage and edit it to tell us. We can give them the information, they can download it. We also have this new intern program where we have video editing interns from across the country who've come together to really begin creating new videos from it, and also Rexy's uploading new video footage that we're using to do all sorts of new video with. And finally, we're just really open to anyone with any new project ideas. I mean, there's no limit to this. We would invite people to go to Negril, to meet Rexy, to film their own things, maybe make music videos, you know, a storyline with him, anything. He's such a vibrant and interesting character. You know, he's one of those examples where the medium is the message. You don't have to do anything. You just turn on the camera and Rexy's there, and you have your quality video. So it's really exciting. We want to encourage other people to join in, become involved, and basically own the same project with us, and see how they can use the same story of Sexy Rexy in new ways. So we're really excited to collaborate with anyone and everyone in many different ways on this project. On behalf of myself, Uncle Buddha Productions, and Sexy Rexy, thank you for watching Twice on Sundays.